in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s.
Cleveland!
Tonight, clear. Lows in the
No KZZ yet.
lower 60s. Monday night. National Weather Service 6 a.m. and noon. The threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The Lake Erie
KZZ 47. I heard WG 698. Possible WG. Oh! Possible WG 57. I'm not sure.
during potentially dangerous weather situations. Of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Activated to warn of the impending hazard.
IWX is going.
Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather for Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
This is the National Weather Service broadcast for Stone Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station KEC63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1
I recognize.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Livingston, Oakland, Montour, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KEC63. We now return to the normal broadcast.
Come on.
USGMD ne sont pas disponibles en ce moment. Prévision
You're
pour
fucking
Londres
kidding me.
Ouest. Centre-ville de Kingston.
Oh, here we go.
Par environnement Canada à 10 heures.
Some other reports are at the radio station WNG 647. We now return to the normal broadcast. Here is the forecast for...
There we go.
0040. Je répète. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour 0040.
Conditions pour l'aéroport de Windsor à 11h.